I guess that's part of the thing, though. They're in the, you know, like a little obstacle. They don't want to move them.
Chino, California.
5-year-old mother of three, she's saying, what the hell's going on? I can't get the burning down. 22. On fire, we got flames leaking out the bottom. 324. 3 more volunteer firemen out there.
Oh, crap.
They want to get the driver out of there. 324, that's one of the Coning brothers.
Is he out of the car? What's that, gold car? Oh, he's out, he's out.
He's out.
Get up.
He's out, he's okay, he's bad, but he's okay. That's number 80, car number 80.
Oh, that's a big one.
What's on fire? The green car?
That's Rudy high voltage hearing up. The flames are going up and Rudy's out of the car. It's on fire.
Look at that guy backing up. Yeah, he's...
What are they doing? It's the new border. California 2020. Hey, don't act stupid. They're looking for drunks to bring them aside, so don't act stupid.